Jesse here with Cars and Coffee Sim Racing. We are going through our Asetek Black Friday purchases that we made. So I picked up a La Prima wheelbase, a Forte Formula wheel, and then we got the Forte R Button Box. It was mislabeled on the outside of the box. It said Forte GT Button Box, which is the next level up. This is the one that I ordered, so they did send the correct one. The box is mislabeled, and then the invoice paper in the box was also mislabeled. It said Forte GT, but this is the one I ordered, so this is the correct one. It's the Forte R, which was on sale. So yeah, we're going to be pairing this with the round comfort wheel. So pretty excited. So this is a pretty big step up from what I already have. And you can see the boys were super excited. Try not to be more excited over that, Makai. See if we can get this open. Alright. So here it is. So this is the Forte R, which is their, not their top level, that would be the Forte GT. But this is the next level, which is the Forte R. So this is the same one that our buddy Cody Height has. So Cody's got this one. So we're going to be pairing this with the round comfort wheel. Super excited. We got the paddle shifters in here. So we're going to be setting all this up tomorrow. Once again, this would not be happening without my everybody supporting me on the channel. Channel members, everyone that super chats, everybody that watches my videos and my shorts, the ad revenue I get from that, it's all gone towards purchasing this equipment. So this is a massive upgrade for me. Took about 10 months of savings to be able to do this, and I want to thank all of you. Without you guys and your support, this would not be happening right now. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I can't believe the support that you guys give me. I'm truly blessed, and I can't believe it. I have to kind of pinch myself every day. I just can't believe what an amazing community and group of friends that I have that support me doing pretend race car driving. Gonna get choked up here. But yeah, we're gonna be doing some reviews. So keep an eye out for the reviews. I'm gonna get this set up over the weekend. So keep an eye out for more information on my Asetek haul. Thank you guys. You're absolutely amazing. I appreciate and love you all. Appreciate you guys.